Peasant, you're being awfully quiet over there. What you doing? Oh, peasant?
Sammy, what on earth could you mean? I ain't doing anything.
Oh, peasant, you seem like you're plotting something.
Wait a minute. What's that in your hand? You know I can't see that well. You know my eyes are fixed. You know, I'm gonna use my mind powers to that cup that's next to you. Mind power things.
Wait a minute, peasant. If I'm correct in my mind powers that I totally have, that looks like a shot glass.
Peasant, are you drinking without me?
Do you not want to solve my curse, peasant? How could you? Could you? So, peasant, isn't my they cured my curse?
Like, Sammy, I don't know what on earth you mean. It's just what do it's just whatever.
Wait a minute, peasant. I feel like you're being greedy or something.
Wait a minute, peasant, are you being greedy?
Peasant, I could finally turn into my true form, a totally real prince. Please, just a shot. Your greedy ass already got on the bottle, so see, the witch is gonna turn you into a llama too if you don't share me. So, peasant, make your choice. Join me as a llama or share the shot.
Yes, peasant. What you would say, the witch is totally real and totally coming back for the both of us if you don't share that shot. I'm serious, peasant. It's almost like you don't believe you're something, peasant. What the fuck? Oh, Lord Sammy, I do believe you. But are you sure? It's sour, and you don't really like sour things. But, if you don't, maybe. Wow, Lord Sammy. It's almost like you think I would not try to cure your curse, right, Lord Sammy? Alright, here you go, Lord Sammy. How's this taste?
Peasant, how dare you?
Oh my god, my fucking god. It was the worst thing ever tasting my entire life. The fucking witch.
Tasted better than that shot. What the fuck was that? Wait, who made that? Monsters? You monsters here? God damn it, fuck, Jesus Christ.
It's just absolute citron. Oh, I don't know if you know what a citron is, but it's a lemon. See, it says lemon flavored vodka. As everyone knows, Lord Sammy. I don't know if you ever heard of it. I didn't want to ruin your taste buds. You can't cure you if your taste buds are ruined.
Tell me you're done. Oh my god, peasant, you're really doing another shot? Oh my god, peasant. Is it so bad you have to do another shot of that? My fucking god. Wait, no. The bottle shape's different. What are you getting, peasant? What was that? Is it better? What is it, peasant? You better share. Remember, peasant, the witch is coming. If you don't share. Remember that? Huh? Remember that? I swear you don't remember that. It's like you probably should believe me, right? Totally believe me, right, brother? See, brother, I have both eyes on you if you don't share. So does the witch. Not that I am or know the witch. She just is around. Also, that last comment, I feel like you're gonna take that out of context, which is don't do that. Just. Peasant. I grace you my presence and my presence alone, and you dare to deny me, maybe, the possible cure my curse? Well, do warn me if it's anything like that other stuff. But, I trust you, peasant, and if you're lying, the witch will get us both. But most of you, peasant, like me, I mean, she already got me. But, you know, when she gets you, you're gonna feel it. And I promise peasant's gonna be, like, have to be 3 times worth. Like, you know, like, has to be, like, honestly, be like a tiny version or something. I swear, peasant, you know, if you don't believe me, this is totally real rich. Totally real rich. Tell me you're not. Oh my god, peasant, you're really doing another shot? Oh my god, peasant. Is it so bad you have to do another shot of that? My fucking god. Wait, no. The bottle shape's different. What are you getting, peasant? What is that? Is it better? What is it, peasant? You better share. Remember, peasant, the witch is coming. If you don't share. Remember that? Remember that? Huh? Remember that? I swear you don't remember that. It's like you probably should believe me, right? Totally believe me, right, brother? See, brother, I have both eyes on you if you don't share. So does the witch. Not that I am or know the witch. She just is around. Also, that last comment, I feel like you're gonna take that out of context, which is don't do that. You know, just you know.
Here you go, Lord Sammy. Are you ready? Lord Sammy, maybe this might be up your more alleyway. You a New Amsterdam fan? You been to New Amsterdam? Damn, Sammy, where have you been, Lord Sammy? Pardon me, Lord Sammy. You know I get a little loose. But if you, maybe this one might be better. I mean, it's so good. Maybe I should taste test it first.
It's different from other stuff. And kinda, you know, it's mid. You know, I feel the same. You know, it's not like I'm fucking doing backflips or whatever. But it is a huge improvement. You know, maybe. What was the flavor again? Pineapple. I think I remember what a pineapple is. It's not a lemon, is it? It's not a lemon. Okay. Alright. Well, I like the pineapple better. But I guess technically you didn't lie to me. So I guess technically the witch might be stopping by casino before she gets there or something. I would just say, you know, I don't know what she's doing. She's a witch. Bitches be doing anything. Witches are witches and bitches are bitches. And sometimes a bitch is a witch, but a witch isn't a bitch. You know what I mean? No? Go over your head. Alright, whatever. You're gonna hero now. But anyway, peasant. I guess find me some better shit. Damn.